just return, just do return response and pass the cache key. But you can do encoded. You can do encoded. JSON encoded, pass the cache key. Okay, but we can fetch the data because cache, even if you make a request, we don't have anything there. But first of all, let's get the feed. This one is generated by AI. So the feed is going to be, we get our model. You can even remove this one if you want. Just remove this to make it easier for you. And just import that model. So we'll have user model. Okay, user feed where user ID